Learn how to evaluate the performance of your ETF. While exchange-traded funds or ETFs have become popular financial tools lately, it is often tricky to track their performance. Assessing the performance of an ETF over different time periods or against different securities is not enough. Since ETFs track the market movements of the underlying portfolio, it will be ideal to check how well the ETF is doing that function. Any ETF has a predetermined fund composition. Therefore, a good ETF should continue providing the same portfolio diversification, security selection, weights and risk profile as its underlying index. Even when there is a change in the constituents of the underlying index, an efficient ETF will take minimum realignment time to rebalance its fund. This also keeps the tracking error in check. We know that ETFs mimic index that they represent. But how closely is another efficiency determinant? While some tracking error is well expected, performance evaluation will check if the deviation is negligible or significant, temporary or prolonged, positive or negative. Here, the ETF's performance against similar products, that is, ETFs following the same index, is also crucial. Fees and other expenses also create deviation between the index and the fund. Therefore, it is also crucial to check the expense ratio across similar product categories. Lastly, higher liquidity offers an easy entry and redemption opportunity in the market. Therefore, evaluating the trading volume of the product also becomes necessary.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from HDFC Securities. To watch all the episodes, click on the link in description.